Welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing to this YouTube channel. Welcome once again. Here is the headline for today. OPC arrested Fúláñi herdsmen with 2 vehicles loaded with bullets, guns, and explosive devices. So before we dive into the details of the news for today, please don't forget to like this video channel. And for those who have not subscribed yet, click on the red button, subscribe to get more of this news. And also do not forget to click on the notification button to get notified whenever we bring the latest news for you. Thank you. So now, this is what happened. The OPC arrested this Fúláñi herdsman with 2 vehicles loaded with bullets, guns, and explosive devices. And people are like, wow, the video was, if you've watched the video that happened yesterday, watch the video, you know that it's, oh my goodness. You know, I've been hearing about this Fúláñi terrorists, but I've not really like seen how they do it. Like, God, I was like, these people are really mad. Like, they will leave their own town, leave their own village, leave their own state, and come over to other people's states to destroy people, to kidnap people and kill them. For what did they do to them? Nothing. What did we do? Nothing. They just come to just disturb people. And it's really very sad. It is very, very sad. In some states now, in some west, like in southwest now, they can't go to the farm. They can't go to the farm any longer. Sometimes if they have to go, they will take arms with them. Can you imagine going to the farm, taking arms, grandmas, they can't go to the farm any longer because now they are being killed every day. People can't travel in the night any longer because now the roads are not safe. Insecurity in Nigeria. The people of, Ogun State, was in Osun State, they have been shouting and telling their government, one power by you, they are killing us here, but the government said no, one power need. So I think wasn't last month. I think it was August. Was it Ogun State or Osun State? They said they saw some people with truck. 400 people. I don't know. I've forgotten it. I think I mentioned it some times ago too. They now went to meet their governors. They were not like, no, those people, they are just passing on their own. But I'm hearing of how they will enter, those trucks that bring tomatoes and pepper, they will hide under it and come. They will disguise, they will come and be looking at, looking for the weakness of the state. So they will be planning on how to come. They will spy on us. When we go to their own state, we go there to work. We go there to do business. But when they come to our own state, they come and kill people. What is happening? But thank God, they say, how did they even put this? Plenty days for the thief, but one day for the owner. Now they've caught some of these headsmen. And the video, I just can't imagine what they would do to them in that video. I just can't imagine what they would do to them. Because I know if they give them to the police, if they give those headsmen to the police, well, they'll just, that's Nigeria for you. They'll just put them in prison for some time, and then within how many months you hear that they've released them. What did they do? They've released them. But if they release those people they release those headsmen to the people of that community, hey God, there'll be dead bodies lying around, and you wouldn't blame them. You wouldn't blame them because most of those people, they've killed their fathers, they've killed their mothers, they've killed their children. So what do you expect? If you kill by the sword, you will die by the sword. It's normal. Was it not last week that those Amotekun they molested, they beat some nothing youths that were going to not, like, because they told the driver to stop and he didn't stop, and they put them out. They didn't say anything on them, but they beat them. You wouldn't blame those people with what their parents have faced, what their fathers have faced, what their children have faced in the hands of this bad people. You wouldn't blame them what they do to these Hausas now, because people cannot really see the difference between Hausas and Fulanis. Yes, I don't know the difference. I don't know about it. With everything the Fulani terrorists are doing to the Yoruba people, if they are caught, I don't know how they will do their self. So let's look at the comment of people towards the arrest of the Fulani terrorists. Let's look at the comment of them. Okay. Alaja Agbaje said, "Yepa, we ni any Fulani o. We ni o." Okay, so look at other persons on this. Clement said, Clement Ojediwan said, why are you displaying them? Do they display our people when they are killing us? Why not do the needful when they catch them? Okay, so this person is angry that because when the OPC caught them, they were displaying the arms, displaying the explosive devices, and this person is like, no, why are you displaying it? When they kidnap our fathers and mothers and our children, and when they kill them, they don't display them. They kill them immediately. So instead of you to take them to custody, why don't you just kill them immediately? Because if they escape, won't escape none. So you shouldn't. Why are they keeping them? Adeyemo said, don't show the weapons on internet. Don't be fool. Okay. Nikki said, they're supposed to set the vehicles on fire, burn down the whole weapons, because it's definitely going back to them through the Nigerian police. Yeah, the justice in Nigeria now, it's kind of somehow. That's why these people are saying that they should kill those people immediately, burn those weapons. If not, the weapons will be, the Nigerian police collect the weapons and then return it back to them, because we don't even know if those Nigerian police are working hand in hand with these terrorists. We don't know. Yemi Dasolo said, everything will end up in police station and back to them. Stop acting dumb. So people are saying that they should just collect those people. They should not give it to those Nigerian police, because on you. So they should not give them. Victoria said, if you're bomb please use your sense, Joe. Ẹ má pariwo nítorí àwọn ọ̀tá wà. Okay. Okay, a lot of, they are Yoruba ones here. Okay, Olusola Adeojo said, you don't need to be telling us that you arrested Boko Haram. Why not set the arms on fire immediately instead of telling the world? The order will come from above that they should set them free. Yes, if they don't kill them now, immediately they cut them, then the government might say that they should just put them in custody. Then after a few months, they will release them. That's how we have been seeing it. Jefferson Eze said, my Oduduwa brothers, you should send these Fúláñi killers to Satan for judgment. Please stop handing them over to zoo security. So this person is an Igbo person and is calling those Yoruba people that my Oduduwa brothers. You should send these Fúláñi killers to Satan for judgment. We should kill them. Stop handing them over to these Nigerian security people that, they will just hand them anyhow they want. They are paid little amount like this woman free money. Adeyemo said, Efun Olegba. You should beat them. Yes, call no one that down before they kill them. They should make them that pain that pain that those people enjoy. They should make sure they experience that pain too. Sunday said, you don't even need camera for this. Everything camera all the time. You should have just taken these bullets from them because we need them, and after hit each of them with Urukaire and send them away. Okay. Frederick said, those people are heartless to Nigerians and we should not laugh with them at all. Death sentence by law. Full stop. Yes. Let me repeat that. These people are heartless to Nigerians and we should not laugh with them at all. Death sentence by law. Full stop. Yes. No need to negotiate. Nothing. Florence said, please don't hand them over to the police. Please do the needful. Yeah. Stanley said, I think it's not the first time they've done this. With a good investigation, hopefully more arrests can be made. Yeah, amen. Olatunji said, imagine but all Obas in Yoruba land now to they go party up one after the other, and they sabi. Somebody said jungle justice, please. Jungle justice, jungle justice. Yes, they deserve it. This kind of people, you don't need to say they want to go to law, bring your lawyer. No, 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 no. Kill them immediately. Jungle justice, yes. Somebody said, please don't return the ammunition to police. If not, it will return back to them. If care is not taken, both police and armed force controlled by Fúláñi Caliphate. Both police and the armed force are controlled by Fúláñi Caliphate. So we don't know. Anything can happen in Nigeria. We are not sure. These people are mad again. So what's your take? Let me hear this in the comment section. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for listening. God bless.